So for this tutorial, you have to draw a vertical line straight down. Then after that, you mark 1 centimeter, then another 1 centimeter, then you mark half centimeter. Then after that half centimeter, you come down, you mark 5 centimeter, then another 5 centimeter, then you mark another 5 centimeter, like so. Then after the 5 centimeter, you mark 1 centimeter. Then you go up to the second 1 centimeter you mark half inch on both, half centimeter on both sides, 0.5 centimeter on both sides, which is going to give it like a square shape, like so. Then you merge it together, so it is going to give you like a square shape. So it will be 1 centimeter on each side of the shape. Look at it. So it's going to give us like a square shape, like so. Then the next thing you have to do is to come down to that half inch that you marked, then mark 1.5 centimeter. You draw a straight line of 1.5 centimeter on both sides, which is going to give us 3 centimeter on that side. So it is 1.5 centimeter on both sides. Then you come down, so you mark, so this place is going to be slightly longer than the first one. Then you mark 1.75 centimeter, 1.75 centimeter, 1.75 centimeter, which is half and quarter centimeter. Then 1.5 and 1/4 centimeter rather. Then you come down to this side and mark 1 centimeter on both sides of this. You mark 1 centimeter, which is going to give us 2 centimeter. Then on the last part too, you mark 1 centimeter on both sides, like so. Then you come back to that place, then mark 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter first. You divide that 5 centimeter into three parts. So I'm dividing into 1.5, 1.5, and what, 2 centimeter, 1.5, 1.5, and 2 centimeter. Then you come up like so. You draw an inverted triangle from the very upper part of that 3 centimeter you measure earlier. You draw an inverted triangle, you slant it down to the second 5 centimeter place. Then you come to that 1.5 centimeter that you marked there and draw a triangle, making the slant join the 3 centimeters, the other 1.75 centimeter on both sides. Then you come down and draw slantly. From that 1.75 centimeter, you draw slightly to meet the edge of the 1 centimeter on both sides. Then this part, then at this part, you measure half centimeter, like so. You measure half centimeter. Like you divide that 1 centimeter into 2, which is going to give us 0.5 centimeter. So from that 0.5 centimeter, you come up again and you measure 0.5 centimeter on both sides of this place too. You come in by 0.5 centimeter. Then from that 0.5 centimeter, you draw a round circle. I'm just using this ruler as a guide. So you draw a small, not really small circle, like so. You draw it like so. Then from there, you come to that zero. Then from there, you come to the edge of the circle and mark 1 inch slightly. You see, you draw a slant 1 inch, then you draw the rest of it slightly to meet the 0.5 centimeter you marked earlier. Look at the way I did it. 1 inch slant, 1 centimeter slightly rather, then the rest is going to slightly meet the 0.5 centimeter at the down part. Then you draw small circles, two small circles, like so. Then you draw a horizontal line, and from the edge of the circle you draw a slant shape. The edge of the other edge slant shape, like so, slant shape, like a triangle, slant shape. Then you join the edges of the slant lines together in form of an arc, in form of an arc rather, like so. Then you come to the top of your drawing and draw a round circle, two round circles. Then you see that place where the two triangles meet. You come out like so. You trace it out like so. You measure 1 inch out. Do you get? You measure 1 inch out. Then you trace that part out like so. Do you see what I'm trying to say? See, it is not on the line, so I had to move up the ruler a little bit and make sure it is on the place where the two triangles meet. Sorry about that. So you draw it like so. You trace it out like so. Then from there, from the upper part, you draw a straight line like so. You draw a straight line like so. Look at it. Then from that place, you draw a circle again. You draw another circle. You draw another circle. Then from that circle, you draw another straight line coming down to the hip part. Sorry, how am I going to put it? You draw a straight line like so. So you have to go below this second horizontal line a little bit. Then from there you draw a small circle, two small circles on both sides like so. Then at the circle side, you draw like a triangle. One part will be longer than the other part. The first part I drew will be longer. Then the second part I drew will be shorter. Then you have to make it like a curvy shape, like so, like an arc to join the lines together. Look at it. Then this is the skeletal part of your croquis. So in the next class we are going to be fleshing it out. Look at it. It's already like a human body, right? So this is like the skeletal part of your croquis.